Hi, and welcome in this new video. As you can see in the title and in the thumbnail, this will be a tutorial building instruction for a FLAK 88 anti-aircraft gun. Or is it actually it was used for so much purposes. But what I want to explain about this little one is I'm showing you now a FLAK 88. It is made by OmahaBricks, or designed for OmahaBricks, so building instructions for this one are available. But why am I making this video? Well, the one I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds is actually the old design. If you currently are buying OmahaBricks FLAK 88 building instructions, you are buying this design. But we also have a pretty nice library of older models that are no longer available. And if you are one of those people who ask me, hey, can I get the old version instead of the new one, this video is made for you, because I'm going to show you how to make the old FLAK 88. This one is the updated. I have to say it is the improved one. It's the better one than the one I'm going to show you in the video. So I advise you, go check out this one. It is better. But if you don't have much money to build it, to buy the building instruction, although they aren't that expensive, but anyway, you can see the old ones in a couple of seconds. Yeah, so in a couple of seconds I'm going to show you how to build the one in the thumbnail. Not this one, the one in the thumbnail. I also wanted to show you guys, before I show you the parts list needed for the build, let's just take one at a time. This really cool minifigure. This one is made by OmahaBricks. That is not a related company to OmahaBricks, so I don't know anything about them instead of what I'm advertising right now. This shout out for OmahaBricks, as you can see right there in his leg. OmahaBricks. It's a company owned by Sebastiano, also known as Gallic the Builder. Go check it out on omahaminifix.com. You can get minifigures like this. I added the cap myself, but the face and the torso and legs is his design. Also this one, once again, I added the helmet myself, but yeah, just showing you how this printing works. 360 printing, not inside legs like First Moon bricks, but pretty cool fix. omahaminifix.com. Go check them out. And for now, I'm going to show you how to build not this one, but the old version of the OmahaBricks FLAK 88. Like all the videos recently I do, first the parts list and then the step-by-step tutorial. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you're going to build it. So now you have a FLAK 88 in your collection. Just like I said in the beginning, you have a perfect, very cool model. But if you want a better one, you should go check out the building instruction on omaha.com, omahabricks.com, for the updated version, not the one you just built. But nevertheless, you have a pretty cool model, don't you? And I hope you will enjoy it. I hope you will give this video a like, and I even hope you will subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and reviews of cool Lego stuff. For now, I want to say thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.